All right, we got one last one, which I think you guys are going to think is really fun. And this is an Acumatica integration with the Amazon Echo device.
So just a quick setup on that one, right? So we've been playing with a bunch of different trending technologies. You talked about machine learning and so on. This kind of gets the point on a bunch of those technologies working together. We've seen the voice recognition come a long way. With virtual assistants like Siri and Cortana. I know you use that quite a bit for dictating text messages and emails and so on.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we thought, why don't we just try that with the new device that Amazon launched recently? It's been very popular as well. And see if we can just get some data back and forth between Alexa and Acumatica.
Let's take a look.
Here comes the fancy device here. All right. Who likes Alexa? Woo. All right. Okay. So before I get started, let me check something here. Alexa, ask ERP News, who is the fastest growing cloud ERP?
Glad you asked. It is Acumatica Cloud ERP.
She got that one right. So what we have done in this scenario is we looked at a couple of different places where we can go retrieve data. As you know, the authentication and authorization aspect on a device like this is still very limited. So we wanted to look at data that's not very confidential, if you will. You want to have it in a manufacturing floor where someone is working on a device. They need to look up item inventory. That type of stuff, you can actually do the voice-based interaction and get the information back. So let's give it a try. Alexa, ask Acumatica, how many laptops do we have in stock?
Inventory item Acer laptop computer found. There are 420 quantities in warehouse retail at location storage, 501 quantities in warehouse wholesale at location bin 8.
There you go. So what did Alexa has done? Yeah. So Alexa is able to get the query submitted. It's able to parse the language. When I said how many laptops do we have in stock, it knows that I'm asking about the item laptop. It found a match in the system, and then it's reading out the stock items that we have. It found it in 2 locations in the warehouse and retail, just one illustration. So let's try a different query here. Alexa, ask Acumatica, how many keyboard do we have in stock?
Inventory item USB keyboard is out of stock. Do you want to order it?
Order 10, please. So that's a scenario where So that's a scenario where it's not only pulling data from Acumatica and conveying through this audio response, but also taking instructions from us and submitting data back into Acumatica. So we think there's a lot of potential to having a device like this, and there are other devices that are very good with voice recognition that we can connect with the Acumatica ERP across the different modules.
All right. Thanks so much, guys.
John, before you go, I want to do one more thing with Alexa.
Oh, yeah, we got
Before you go, one more thing. Alexa, ask Acumatica, where is Summit 2018?
Not so fast. You have to wait till the closing keynote this evening.
There you go. That's a suspense.